Folks, we have a beautiful 1967 Pontiac GTO, about 400 miles on a body off frame restoration. Gorgeous Tyrol Blue, Pontiac Historical, documented, correct colors, motor, trans, sitting on a set of Hurst wheels with the red lines. Go to volocars.com. You'll see over 200 classic cars for sale. Excuse me. Each one will have the monthly payment and price tag on it, including this one. You can scan the QR code that's on your screen at any time. It'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, just another beautiful car. I've been so happy with the cars we've been getting lately. I mean, just the stance, the tires, the wheels, the colors, the condition, and then wait till you hear the sound. That will sell you on the car. And it's all straight. It's got the scooped GTO hood, all this straight, clean. I have no issues. All lines up beautifully. Looking down the entire side of the car, laser beam straight. All these gaps are all real good, all clean body lines. See how the door opens. Effortlessly it opens. I make a big deal out of that because that means everything fits right. Shuts like a new car. Again, the quarter panel, straight as can be. All this is looking beautiful. I don't see any funny business. I don't see any weird spots in the paint or little pimples or bubbles or cracking. I don't see any of that myself. All looking dynamite. Look at the reflection in my hand. All the way at the bottom. Look how nice that is. A little speck of wax on there. Clean right around the trim right there, all clean down here. Let's see how this door does. Jambs are painted slick. Shuts nice and solid. All straight, all clean. This body is exceptional. It really, really looks good. The original color is Tyrol Blue. The metallic is all laid out evenly. It's not cloudy or blotchy, and it has a glossy clear coat finish that just really pops. And then what else makes it pop is all the bright trim, the stacked headlight bezel, the bezels around the lights, the mesh grille, the bumper, all the moldings, all sparkling. There's the arrowhead emblem, correct antenna sparkling, the moldings around the windshield, all shiny. It is a new windshield. Then big rocker moldings along the bottom, they're polished like a mirror. All this trim is shiny, straight, door handles sparkle. The black vinyl top is in excellent shape, fits beautifully. The rear window is replaced. That's crystal clear. All the weather strips are replaced. Now coming around the back, nice fresh emblems, shiny bumper, looking really good. Now those wheels, the Hurst wheels, that was like an aftermarket thing back in the day. These are 14-inch Hurst wheels wrapped in Goodyear reproduction redline tires. Just really gives the car a vintage look, a different look, makes it stand out from the others. They're red, and the tires really give it some pop. You always have a little bit of red in this emblem, so just an amazing combination. Let's open it up. We'll check out the inside. All right, let's see what the inside of the trunk compartment looks like. Well, bottom side of the trunk lid painted nice, has the stickers, the latch is clean, has the little bumpers. The jam is painted real nice, so is the part number there. Weather strip replaced. Inside is clean metal. Does look like the wiring was replaced. Reproduction mat. This here is the original dated carburetor for the car. They must have put one on that functions a little better, but that is the original. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. Yeah, like I said, jams are slick, weather strips replaced. The interior is beautiful. It's reproduction door panels, armrests, window cranks, handles. It was all replaced. The whole dash area is nice and clean. It's factory air car, so it has the AC vents. The dash pad is replaced. The wood grain's replaced. Factory radio is still in its location there. You got the GTO grab handle over here. Light works inside here. Nope, that comes with a Hurst equipped emblem that was never put on the car, but that would go with the wheels. Interior light works, kick panels are clean, carpet's fresh, has the Hurst dual gate shifter. Now you open up this little door and you put it over here and it's slotted so you can slam it into gears without, accidentally going into reverse. So his and hers, or dual gate shifter they call it. So original console, wood grain was replaced. It has the GM seat belts all in really nice shape. Real nice cushions, I'm sure they've been replaced. The upholstery is obviously replaced and it fits very nicely, not all wrinkled. The back of the seat, all looking good. Same thing back here. You got the GM seat belts, seats reupholstered, side panels and armrests were replaced. The rear shelf is replaced. The headliner is replaced, and the side panels, sail panels, all that looks real good. Working dome light. Matching visors look new. The mirror looks new. It does have the original steering wheel in it. It has a couple of the typical cracks, but overall looks good. Yeah, very nice interior. Got the dual gate shifter, air conditioning. That's the correct 400 engine, dated properly for this car. They say they rebuilt it to the HO specs. It's all stock, the manifolds and vacuum lines, and that is a stock carburetor on there. It comes with the extra one in the trunk, I guess. The choke is hooked up. Spark plug wires, all that's just nice and clean. Look at the heater box, all nice and clean. Factory air, it is updated to the newer Freon. The inner fenders all painted up nice. The core support painted up nice. Has the rubber piece here. Radiator looks new. Got the right shroud and clutch fan, all that's looking real nice. Delco battery topper, battery secured, has the spring clamp cables. We got power steering. Nice chrome valve covers and air cleaner. All looking real good. The original tag is still there. Under the hood's nice. So yeah, beautiful engine compartment. Now you get to hear it run. Michael's going to demonstrate how nice it runs for you.
Wow, I'm loving this car already. 400 under the hood, 400 automatic. Nice, easy setup for somebody. Great looking car. Great sounding exhaust too. Let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. Well, maybe half or 2/3 of the way in the pedal there. There's more than enough power coming out of this engine. Suspension feels amazing over the bumps. Seats feel great too. Lots of nice cushion there. Somebody's gonna get an absolute winner here.
Now you heard me earlier when I said it was body off frame restored. They literally took the body off the frame. The underbody is just all beautiful, clean metal. All the frame braces or floor braces, inner rockers, and it's all painted gloss black. Same thing with all the chassis components in the frame, all prepped, painted gloss black. All the suspension and steering was all rebuilt, and it's all rebuilt to factory specs. There's no coilovers and stuff like that. It's all stock, rebuilt suspension. The brake system's been all redone, lines replaced, e-brakes hooked up. The fuel system was replaced, the tank, the lines, the sending unit. Factory correct Gardner exhaust. So it has the correct mufflers, and believe it or not, one is bigger than the other. That's the way GTOs did it back then. And then it has the resonators in the tailpipe. So it's an exact reproduction of the factory exhaust system. And boy, it sounds nice. It really does. Look up at the motor, all clean Pontiac blue. Even the starter is correct and fresh, and all the components look clean. It's a turbo 400 automatic transmission hooked up to that dual gate shifter. And it's original, still has the tag on the side of it, dated 1967. A rebuilt drive shaft. In back is the original rear end. The code matches up for this car. Just nice cruising gears in the rear end. So beautiful car. There's other GTOs out there, but when you look at them, you got to ask yourself, does it look as good as this one? This is a nice GTO right here. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer questions like how to get your GTO delivered home. If you need financing, insurance, they'll help with all that too. Thanks for watching.